Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a video I will show you and tell you how you can scan a document on your iPhone and send it by Gmail. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. The easiest way would be to do it all through the Notaki app. If you don't have it on your desktop like I do, then we'll just swipe down. You're gonna see this search box here, where you type in the word Notaki. And at the top you get this app. Click on it. You'll see that you've already created Notaki. And to create a new one at the bottom, you press this button at the bottom. Then, to scan the document, you have to click on the camera button. And then scan the document. Now I'm going to show you how to scan a document. To do this, you need to put the document down, raise your phone so that the document is completely on the screen of the phone, and it will then be automatically scanned. Let's try putting the document down again. You raise your phone up so that the document is completely on the screen of the phone, and it's automatically scanned. Then you press save. And as you can see, I have two scanned documents here. To share. To send them via Gmail at the top, we click Share. And down here at the bottom, you can select Gmail. And then you can select the person that you want to share this document with. I'll have it linked to my notes. You might have documents in a pull-up format. It will say who the documents are from. You will need to write for whom they are for, that is to keep the email person. And then click Send, and then the document in PNG format will be sent in an hour of Gmail to the person you need. This is the way you can scan documents through your iPhone and send them through Gmail. I hope this video was useful for you. Subscribe to the channel, put your likes and write your comments. See you later.